Here we go. 48 ounces of pure love right here. Everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida. I'm here with my father, and today we're headed to Shula's Steakhouse in Miami Lakes. This is Don Shula's first steakhouse location. If you don't know who Don Shula is, that is the Hall of Fame coach who had the only team in NFL history to ever go undefeated 17-0, and that was the Miami Dolphins of 1972. Today I'm going to be taking the 48-ounce Porterhouse challenge. Yes, 48 ounces of meat. Crazy. I have unlimited time to do it, and if I succeed, I go on their digital wall of fame on their website. Besides that, we're gonna have some sides, we're gonna see the restaurant, and we might have a little bit of wine. I am super thrilled. I've heard about the Shula brand for a long time. I actually been to their location in South Miami, which is the Shula's 347, but they don't have the 48-ounce challenge. That's why we're headed up here. Oh, I can't wait. A lot of meat coming my way. Shula's Steakhouse in Miami Lakes is located about a 45-minute drive north of South Miami. Here we go, Shula's Steakhouse, 48-ounce Porterhouse, coming my way.
Hello, welcome.
Hey, how you doing?
So if you go throughout the restaurant, you'll see all the pictures on the wall, the history of the Dolphins. And on the chairs too, we'll have all of the football players' names, which is pretty cool. Football trophy.
Wow, this is amazing. Okay.
This is your menu, and then this is gonna be your wine menu.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so enjoy too. The football, you have the steak menu and cut sizes. And then on this side, you have signed Coach Shula himself. And in '97, he was inducted into the Hall of Fame.
Okay, it's a 48 ounce, right? It is a Shula Cut. The Shula Cut tends to be, when you have a piece of meat, they will take the best cuts of the center of the meat, okay? They won't take the end cuts because the end cuts are inconsistent. The 48 is a T-bone. It does have a New York on one side, and it has filet mignon on the other side.
Woo! Here we go. 48 ounces of pure love right here.
We start out with salt and pepper, which is a mix. We heavily season because we're on the grill. It goes on the grill for the first mark. Then we cross hatch it for the second mark. We turn it over to get a third mark. Cross hatch again for a fourth mark. Finish in the oven at the temperature right below what you want. Then we rest the meat. And then when you get when you're ready for your order, then we go into the broiler. That's it. And then we plate up and it comes to your table.
Today this is a Norton Malbec from Argentina. Dark fruits with a long-lasting tobacco finish. This is a beginner wine today.
So, here we are again.
So we came here for the 48-ounce Porterhouse challenge, but to start, we're gonna have their signature appetizer, and this is barbecue shrimp, and here we have truffle fries. I shouldn't be really eating too much of this because I have 48 ounces to eat, but
I don't know how you're gonna do this.
And we're also starting off with some wine. Cheers. Oh my God, that's good.
Very good. I'll do it more civilized.
I know I shouldn't be eating too much, but
I don't think you should be eating that much.
I've never had a barbecue with shrimp before.
It's really unique. I wonder where they got this idea from.
Oh my God. Truffle fries.
You can't have any
Not
more
too much,
fries.
Dad, not too much.
You can't have any more fries. That's it.
I shouldn't be eating anything.
Over.
I love truffle.
Sonoma, Merlot, bit of a plum finish.
So Merlot.
Oh, it's phenomenal.
It's excellent.
So here we have it. I have a 48-ounce Porterhouse challenge. I have unlimited time. My father got a cowboy, which is it?
22-ounce ribeye.
Oh my God.
Cowboy ribeye.
Cowboy ribeye?
Yeah, look.
And look at this guy. Here we go.
Here we go. Okay. I don't know you can eat all that.
Oh my God, look at that piece.
It's really, really good. Amazing.
This is probably the best steak I've ever had. I got it ready, just with the fat. I don't know what side this is.
The filet mignon side, and that's the sirloin side. You should try the side too.
Steak, the salt on the steak, it's cooked to perfection.
Gentlemen, steaks came out cooked perfectly.
Perfect.
Stand. Enjoy.
Amazing. You should taste a little bit of this. Just a
Yeah.
little bit. Just taste it.
Man,
You have no idea how good this is.
this is unbelievable. I'm gonna grab a piece.
Just taste it a little bit. Don't eat
Which
too
is
much.
this? This is the crab mac and cheese?
But you have no idea what you're gonna eat.
No, I know.
You have no idea.
And I'm not supposed to eat anything but
Right?
the
No, but
Porterhouse.
don't eat it.
That's incredible.
Traditional American wine from Mendocino, California. Barrel aged, charred. Nice, small, soft finish.
Federalist.
You shouldn't actually be drinking wine and eating appetizers during a challenge, but I can do it. Wow, this piece is so incredible, this side. You know, some people have these challenges and the food is like whatever. This is, like I said before, probably one of the best steaks I ever had.
And you've had a few.
The Porterhouse is New York strip on this side, filet mignon on this side.
Do you think they have a 22-ounce ribeye challenge? Because I'm doing it.
It's not that bad. It's gotta pace yourself. I feel like the rare parts are a lot easier to eat. It's got a chunk of fat with a lot of salt. Oh, so good.
Water is a good idea.
Water, yeah. No wine, water. I've gone through most of it, no?
Uh-huh.
I've eaten more than you have.
More, no?
Yeah. No, this is
You
big.
think you're gonna eat it?
Nah, I'm gonna eat it, Dad.
Huh? You wanna eat it?
That's not, you know, I was scared. The only time I've ever been scared in front of food is that 5-pound burrito.
Somebody. Yeah, I finished everything. Look, the wine.
I'm still
I
going.
love doing these things with you.
I know you do.
Yeah, right?
I think I'm gonna have to flip this guy over.
Ooh,
Get deep.
look
Oh
at
my
that.
God.
Look at that.
What is this?
Look at that.
Like, where am I going in here? It's hard. 'cause-
You're acting like Fred Flintstone
no,
right now.
the problem is, yeah, right. The problem here is that you don't even see the bone at some point.
Well, you have to kind of carve into it, you know, go slower. It's a good thing you didn't eat all this. You really gonna do that?
Look at that. Well, I took big chunks. So it's like, no.
No.
I'm gonna have to like. Oh yeah, I just cut a big chunk there. I have to finish every piece.
Okay, but take your time. Oh, you have to do it right. You have to do it right. I ate enough. Right there. Yeah, you ate it. That part looks really good.
It's funny how you start to hit a wall.
Really? You already there? No?
I'm gonna cut
right
everything.
here.
I'm gonna
Like this.
yeah, but look at this.
No, it's like too many tendons. No,
Thing?
tendons, yeah. Eat this part.
The last wine is our full body Cabernet. Great tannings, great finish. Fourth quarter, 2-minute warning left in the game.
So I did my part, my 22 ounce. 22 ounces. It's not a record, but it's good enough for me. That's it. Napa Cellars. What is it about wine and me? I don't know. We have this love relationship going.
Mr. Wine.
Nothing like Napa. When in doubt, order Napa. Can't make a mistake.
So I only have
So-
a few bites to go. It's a monster. I mean, some of this you can't even get to. Just gotta like dig in with your teeth, but I don't know if that's like allowed here. I mean, I still have spit for dessert.
No.
Yeah.
And it's coming.
No, I
we'll
don't
leave all
believe
this. This is all going home. Dessert is coming. Oh, I'm in a little bit of a food coma right now. Pro tip: don't drink or eat anything but water and the challenge. If you do anything else, it hurts. Hold on.
Oh my God. You're crazy, David.
And that crab mac and cheese, oh my God.
Unbelievable. The piece of crab on that, right?
I didn't even try the potatoes or the Brussels sprouts, but I'm sure they're amazing. Oh, can I have another one?
There's still more meat on that bone.
You think though?
Tell me where.
We have the flashlight here, though, brother.
He's gonna eat it.
I can't even get to it. It's like hard to get to.
I don't know. I don't feel like you're trying. The chocolate souffle, which is unparalleled to what you're gonna have.
I love it. Bueno, bon appetit.
So which one is this again? Because that's the lava cake, and this is like a chocolate souffle with whipped cream and ice cream.
Unbelievable stuff.
What?
We're gonna have to work out like for a month after this.
Oh my god.
At least a month. But I don't like sweets, but this one is like, who invented this?
Oh.
This kind of stuff just makes you significantly happy. Right?
It's addictive.
Ooh, lava cake, look at this. I'm not sure you can take the lava cake with you, because it'll just melt the whole time. I can be a good food critic, and this is damn good. Another 48, chef.
I don't even know how I'm doing this right now. I'm feeling cold. It's cold and hot.
I think its temperature is rising.
My name is Anthony Ryan. I am the GM here at the Shula Steakhouse in Miami Lakes. Shula's is a concept steakhouse opened by Don Shula himself in 1989 in collusion with the Graham family. The Graham family was Bob Senator Graham. Ran the Graham Dairy Farm here in Miami Lakes, which was most of the property. So after Don Shula became famous for the 1972 perfect season win, he wanted to open his own restaurant, a steakhouse. So him and Bob Graham opened this place in 1989, and the rest is history. It's been a fantastic staple here in Miami Lakes. We serve some of the finest steaks in the country with the greatest service and with the best view in South Florida. The menu here is very basic, it's very old-fashioned. We emphasize on the steaks. We don't really serve much other than that. We have some great fish options, and in season we have Maine lobster and stone crab. But again, the emphasis is on the steaks. The steaks are our staple, our shining light here at the steakhouse. With some fantastic sides. I do have some vegetarian sides, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, a crab mac and cheese, and some great appetizers like our famous barbecue shrimp, which is, jumbo shrimp wrapped with applewood bacon, stuffed with basil, and our, beautiful tangy barbecue sauce. So it's got something for everybody, and we have a kids menu also. This is the No Name Lounge. It is named after the 1972 perfect season Dolphins defense, who were called the No Name Defense. They all took the names off the back of the jerseys so that no one got credit for anything specific. They were just the No Name Defense. So here in the No Name Lounge, we actually credit them with their name and their picture that circle around the top of the entire lounge. Yes, the 48-ounce challenge. Been here since the beginning of the steakhouse. Many of the Dolphins football players have done it multiple times. I think right now it's somewhere in the high thousands for the club. You can see all the names and the dates that it was completed with the people on the Don Shula website at shula.com.
So, we are done with the challenge.
Shula's Steakhouse, the original Shula Steakhouse. I took the 48-ounce Porterhouse challenge. That was a ginormous piece of meat. But I feel good, I feel good.
I don't know how you did it.
Yeah, I mean, the amazing thing is that in this challenge, the food is really good. Like, this is one of the best steakhouses in South Florida, probably in the United States.
I think so. And I've been to a few. No, this is an amazing steakhouse. I loved it. We have to come back. Have to celebrate when you get to 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
All right, guys, so if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have taken a challenge like this, or if you've taken the 48-ounce Porterhouse challenge at Shula's Steakhouse, leave me a comment below. Tell me how you did, when you did it, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next adventure.